Hi everyone. Today we are fixing a common issue with the Sony LinkBuds S at only 4.8 grams. These are incredibly light, but the small battery often fails after heavy use. The secret to this repair: proper heat management. In this video, I'll show you how to safely soften the internal adhesive, extract the motherboard, and swap the original cells with high-pressure 3C certified Zilli batteries for long-lasting performance. I'll also demonstrate how to reapply professional waterproof sealant and use pressure binding to ensure the earbuds stay factory sealed. If your favorite earbuds aren't holding a charge, don't throw them away, repair them. Let's get to the bench.